Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today, I'm going to show you all my favorite beauty product, which is this coconut oil. There are so many people who ask me about my beauty routine. Now I'm going to show you all what I use at night on my skin. I apply this coconut oil on my face every night after I have washed my face. Coconut oil is actually a miracle beauty ingredient. There are so many amazing beauty uses of coconut oil. It is not expensive because one bottle of this can last for several months. And it is way safer than those chemical-loaded creams out there. Applying coconut oil daily can work as an effective anti-aging treatment. Coconut oil is also one of the few foods that can be classified as a superfood. Its unique combination of fatty acids can have positive effects on your health and beauty. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants and other vitamins essential to keep our skin healthy and supple. Research has shown that coconut oil has positive antioxidants that can help slow down appearance of wrinkles and delay the aging process. It has high quantities of vitamin E, an essential nutrient for healthy skin growth, repair, and the prevention of premature aging. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, which helps retain the moisture content of your skin while helping it look and feel silky smooth. Now, let us see how to use this coconut oil to improve your skin health and delay skin aging. First, you need to wash your face clean. After that, pour a little coconut oil on your palm. Do not pour too much. Then rub your palm like this. Apply the coconut oil on your face while your face is still wet. Pat your face using your hands to make the coconut oil absorb faster. I usually do this lymphatic drainage massage after applying coconut oil. You can watch my video about lymphatic drainage massage to know about it. It can help to boost your face blood circulation and flush out toxins. I will include the video's link on this video's description below. Leave the oil on your face overnight and wash it off the next morning. Try to do this every night. Besides using it on your face, you can apply coconut oil on your hair too. The vitamins and fatty acids in coconut oil help to nourish your scalp and penetrates the cuticle of the hair. Moreover, coconut oil is made up of a medium-chain fatty acid called lauric acid, which is easily absorbed deep into the hair shaft. You can pour some coconut oil on your palm. Then rub your palm. Apply the coconut oil on your hair. Remember to massage your hair and scalp using your fingertips for a few minutes. Wait for 1 hour and then wash your hair with your regular shampoo. Do this at least 2 times a week. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe to my channel if you find my video helpful. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. I promise to give more useful tips to enhance your health and beauty. Thank you.